Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by securing the job. Disconnect the battery and mark the rotor's exact position so timing returns precisely. Once done, remove the cap and label each high-tension wire to avoid mix-ups. Next, unclip vacuum lines and electrical connectors. Keep fasteners in a tray. Now loosen the distributor hold-down clamp just enough to free the body, not to let it spin, and prepare to lift straight up while keeping that timing mark visible. This preserves engine timing and prevents extra adjustments later. With the distributor lifted to expose the seal, hold the shaft to prevent rotation and remove the old seal using a small flat screwdriver or seal puller. Use tape on the housing edge to avoid gouging. Once the seal is out, clean the bore thoroughly with a lint-free rag and solvent, then inspect the shaft and bushing for ovaling or scoring. If you find metal shavings or deep wear, address that before installing the new seal, because a bad surface will ruin the replacement quickly. Coat the new distributor seal's inner lip lightly with clean engine oil to prevent dry start wear. Seat the seal evenly with a socket that matches its outer diameter, tapping gently until it's flush with the housing. Lower the distributor back down, aligning your timing marks exactly, then tighten the hold down to manufacturer torque. Reconnect vacuum lines, wires, and the battery. Start the engine and watch for leaks. If the car hesitates or leaks persist, recheck seal seating and rotor position, and verify there's no bent shaft or warped.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.